Hi, this is Kiddo Academy. In this video, we will learn about kitchen vocabulary with sentences. Teaspoon. Add a teaspoon of sugar to your tea. Pot. I use a large pot to cook soup. Chopping board. I chop vegetables on the chopping board. Knife.
The knife is sharp, so be careful. Sink.
I wash dishes in the sink. Bowl. She likes to eat cereal in a bowl. Oven.
I bake a cake in the oven. Wok. She stirred chicken vegetables in the wok. Cup. My favorite cup is the white one. Trash can. I throw the eggshells in the trash can. Fork. I use a fork to eat spaghetti. Plate. I put the pizza on the plate. Blender. I use the blender to make smoothies. Mug. I drink coffee from my favorite mug. Apron. When I cook, I wear an apron. Refrigerator. I put the groceries in the refrigerator. Peeler. She uses a peeler to peel the carrot. Kettle. She boils water in the kettle for tea. Frying pan. He fries the eggs in a frying pan. Sponge. He uses a sponge to wipe the countertop. Grater. He uses a grater to shred the cheese. Colander. I use the colander to drain the boiled spaghetti. Whisk. I whisk the eggs for omelets. Measuring cup. She uses a measuring cup to pour the milk.
Can opener. She uses a can opener to open the tin cans.
Toaster. She puts the bread in the toaster. Tongs. He uses tongs to flip the meat on the grill. Rolling pin. I use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Ladle. My mom uses a ladle dot to serve the soup.